Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a seismotectonic map by using MapInfo software for a region. Okay, let us begin. Okay, in the beginning, we need a seismotectonic or map of the region, which we can use as a base map. So for this video, I am going to consider this map as my base map. This is Northeast India region, and I will create seismotectonic map around Guwahati city, around 500 within 500 kilometer radius. So I will consider this as my base map. So when I open my MapInfo software, I can see this window. So first I will cancel this thing, and I will first open that base map. So before opening that base map, let us close this one, and my base map is at here. I will change this file type as raster image. This is my base map. I will click this one and open. So okay, now I have to do is to georeferencing this image. Without it, we can't able to get the latitude and longitude informations of the image. So first we are going to register the image. So here we can see we have to give assign value of latitude and longitude of this particular point, some particular points. 4 point is better, minimum 4 point is better for this purpose. So I'm going to give some values or the latitude and longitude values. So I am consider unit as degrees, and projection maximum projection WGS 80 for projection is considered. So I'll click OK. Then I will click this point, and I will give this value of this point. This x value is 88 degree, this is longitude, and y value is 22 degree. So point is here, point. We can make the point more efficient. We can just zoom it and just give the point here. Okay, the point changed to this position. Next we are going to give the second position. To give the second position, first we have to add here 1.2. so here we are going to give the second position, which is 96 and 22. Okay, click here and we will give x as 96 and y as 22. Okay, we can adjust this by zooming this. We can change the position like this. Okay, next we are going to give in these positions. Here let us see what is the okay, it's 28 is the latitude and 96 is the longitude. So this position, so we'll click at 96 and what is what is the 28, 96 and 28. Okay, click here 96 and 28. Okay, again we can have to give one more point, or we can click OK, but it's better to give 4 points. This point is, click here, this point will be 88 and 28. Okay, this is 88 and 28. Okay, now if we need if we want to change, okay, if we have to adjust this point, then we will click this pointy, this one pointy, and we can adjust this by clicking like this. Okay, and we can also adjust this one. We have to select this point and just change its position like by clicking OK. Okay, now after I click OK, all these latitude and longitude are assigned to these 4 points, 1 2 3 4, and we can get latitude and longitude value for each positions of this map. Now I'm going to click OK. and here we can see, if we right click here, this zoom values, right click here and go for cursor location, we can see like where which position have what latitude and longitude values. Like this is 88 and 22, this is 88 and 28, like this every position has now latitude and longitude value. Next things, I required center point. Okay, or what I can do is just I can draw this map, because this is not my map, this is a base map on the basis of which I am going to draw a new map. To draw a new map, what I have to do, I have to check my all layer option, like I have to go for all layer control. I'll click here, and this cosmetic layer I will click here, so I can edit this my cosmetic layer. Now I am going to click OK. So what basically a seismotectonic map requires: boundaries of the region, so political boundaries of the region, or I require the faults, detailing of the faults, like this is Kopili faults, like this I have to draw this faults here. So first I am going to draw the political boundary of the region, so for which what I will do, this I will bring this draw or drawing options here, and I will select this polylines. So now I'm going to draw this region. I will start from here by clicking one click, then again after some distance I'm click next, like after left clicking I can draw by tracing this base map. I can draw the region, northeastern region. Okay, just I'm doing roughly. You can just very precisely you can overlap here, but now I am just drawing like this. I think there is a gap there, but don't take attention. We will fill it, we'll connect it after finishing this thing. So now let me finish this, roughly finish this area. Okay, if you miss something now, we can click Ctrl plus Z. Okay, now it's not working. Okay, we can Ctrl plus Z. Okay, we can undo it, but I think I click here 2 times. Okay, let me finish this like this, wrongly. Okay, and when it is over, we can click in the end position, and like we will click this escape button. Then this thing is here. Now what we can see, what we draw, we can see our drawing, and also can remove this base map, not remove the visibility of remove. We will uncheck this thing. If we click OK, then background image is gone. Now what we can do, we can see here there is like these are not connected. We can connect it accurately. If we click this S button, then we can see the we can directly this cursor lead to the end point of these two, or any point, wherever is point, this cursor will magnetically go to that particular point, and we will now connect these 2 points. So here there is some mistake, so we can correct this thing also. Now let us make it visible, our base map. What is our, we can correct it. Okay, how to correct it? We have to first select this whole map, like here this part I am going to select. Next, here there is an option like this thing, reshaping. If we click reshaping, and we can change this shape. If we want, we can add also, like after clicking this we can add there 1 point also, like this. So this is the boundary of the this northeastern region of India. Now we have to save this. To save this, we have to go map, and then we'll click save cosmetic object. Okay, here I am giving the name as boundaries of any BOUN. Okay, boundaries of any India. Okay, now I'll save this thing. This is okay. Let us see whether it is saved or not. All layer, let us open all layer control. Okay, boundaries of any saved. Now again we can draw, similarly we can draw the false. Now let us draw the false line in the same way. Let's say this is cosmetic layer is editing option is on. So okay, now we'll click this polyline again and we can draw each and every fault now by clicking this like this and clicking the escape button. This is one fault, this is second fault, this is the third fault. We can see this faults by clicking the uncheck this base map visibility option, and you can see these two false lines are drawn. Next we'll draw the other faults. After finishing this fault we'll press the escape. Then here this is one fault, another fault is here. Okay, another fault is here. I'm drawing it roughly now. So finishing it trash is here. Okay, now main two major faults or this boundary trash and central trash can draw, or I'm drawing it roughly for now. Okay, okay, escape button. After we finish drawing all the faults or these boundaries, we don't require our base map. We can just switch it off, visibility off. This is our faults and it is boundaries of the area. We can give them as different colors, but before that thing, let us save our cosmetic object as faults. Okay, okay, all those things are saved now. Okay, fault. Okay, now let us give some different color for this boundaries. To do so, first we can click here, and first we have to check that this portion editing this option is on, clicked, so we can edit that part. Okay, then here we can change this is lines, multi lines, so we can change the properties by clicking this lines type. We can change the color to this color. Okay, double click, this color is changed. Look, then we can change other portion also to that color. Look, all those options. Now we can save it. Okay, now what the next thing is required for the area. Okay, to construct to create that seismotectonic map is the earthquake details. So I have some earthquake details. I divided them into like four classes. Here is four, some are less than 4 magnitude, some are between 4 to 5, some are 5.1 to 6, and some are okay, three classes is here. You can divide it into any more classes, but now I am showing you 3 classes. And this is Guwahati central city coordinates. Let us check. This is Guwahati central city coordinate. Basically I am going to create a seismotectonic map around 500 km from the center position of the Guwahati region. So Guwahati region will be here. Okay, here it is, its longitude and latitude, but actually MapInfo can read this can't read XLSX file. This MATLAB version can't read this file, so we have to convert that version into to save this as XLS. Okay, others I have saved already. So I'm saving this thing. Okay, before now let us change our this name Guwahati to Guwahati Center. You can give any name, and this is center coordinate. And now let us open that file here. So let us xlx open this xlx files of Guwahati central coordinate. Okay, we are going to open it. Enter city, character. Okay, now this is the file. So what I'm going to do is I will create a point, that center point. To create point I have to go to this table and this create points option. So here I'm creating points for Guwahati CC, and I will use symbol, this star symbol, and let us keep it as yellow, yellow or red I can give, let us give it yellow. Okay, size is, let us give 14. Okay, but main thing is this. So see here that longitude or x directions value is at B, and in B this is latitude, so it's okay. A is x coordinate, B is y coordinate, so we are going to click OK. Okay, let's try where this is opening. No, where this is opening. Let us see whether it's okay. This file is generated. Then I have to click this file and click open button. Then this file will come here. Look, this is the central position of Guwahati and showing here. Okay, now basically I said that I am going to construct its map around 500 kilometers of Guwahati region. Whatever earthquakes are within that 500 kilometers around Guwahati center point, I am going to show them here. So basically all these earthquakes, let us see one of the file. Let's search this one. You have to, there are two values must be there, that is latitude and longitude. Other things may contain, this file may contain other values or not, but basically this file should contain the latitude and longitude value. This is latitude value, this is longitude value. Other values may be present or may not be present here. No requires, because I have already make a class for less than 4 magnitude earthquake, which this is the magnitude, all are less than 4 magnitude. So let us close this one first. Here I will open that here, but before that opening this, let us draw one circle which has 500 kilometer radius around this central point. So to do so, we have to go to tools. Here there is a tool called concentric ring buffers, but if this tool is not present here, go to tool manager and what it is, okay, and click these two things, concentric ring buffer, loaded, auto loaded. Okay, now so now I will go, before going clicking that, I have to click this one, center point. Okay, then we'll click this concentric ring buffer. We'll click here, create concentric ring buffer. I'm going to give a radius of 500 kilometer. This is miles, let us change to kilometers. This is 500 kilometer at ring. Okay, smoothness, let us give 80. What is the, if we increase the number, then the smoothness is much more, will be much more. Then change the, I'm going to change the part to this current my MapInfo main info, this one, ring buffer, this folder, and this is ring buffer around 500 kilometers. Okay, now I'll click OK. This is the circle. Okay, now I'm going to put my earthquakes here, all the earthquakes here. So let us put it here. So to do so, I will open those XLS files from here. XLS files first. This is less than 4 earthquakes, so I'll first open that. Okay, entire worksheet. Okay, just click OK. This later, then I will create some points, like I will click here tables, then select point, and I will change this. Sorry, before changing this, I have to select this one. Like I'm going to create points for 4 less than 4 magnitude earthquakes. So I will change my symbol to this, and this is less than 4, so I'm going to give green values. Okay, I'll reduce these values. Okay. The next thing, the main thing is this x coordinate and y coordinate. Here we'll see that longitude is in f, so it's x coordinate. So let us change this to f, and this is latitude is in e, so y direction, let's change it into e and click OK. Okay, now we have to open that map, this one, and then we will click this open. We'll open this 4 less tab, this file, and we can see all earthquakes are here. Okay, same thing we'll do for the other magnitude classes, like 4 to 5. We'll open this file directly, we'll open this, and then we'll go for tables and create points, and we have to change this to 4 to 5. We'll change the color now. Let us do this color. Okay, main thing is this one is the main thing. Check f x, this is x longitude, so we'll change this to f, and we'll change this to e latitude, so we'll click OK. Now we'll again open that file, that map, or this is picture, and we'll open that 4 to 5 tab, so they are open here. Again same thing we'll do to our this 5.16 magnitude earthquake. We'll open this thing like this, we'll open, we'll create points, we'll change this to 5 to this one, and yes, I'm going to give it a red. Okay, and okay, but other things let me see, and this is x, f is the x, and y is e, this one is e. Okay, now I will click OK. I will open that map again, and I will open that tab file, 5 to 6, this one tab file, open it, you can see it here. Okay, these are the earthquakes. Now what we can do, we can click right click and select this old layer, and here what we can do, we can bring this quantity CC point up, like like this. If we do so, it will come here, look, it's up in that. Okay, this is same order, false is here, boundary here. Now what we will have to do, it's over. I have my boundaries and earthquakes and faults. Now what in map, what this is not called map till we give its latitude and longitude coordinate. For this we have to create a grid of latitude and longitude. To do so, we have to click these tools. Okay, these tools are, if we click here, we can see this is called grid makers. Grid maker, go to tool managers, and just, if you don't have this grid makers on, just click here and make our grid makers on and auto loaded. Okay, now here this is our create grid option. We'll click this create grid, and we'll click here and we'll drag it like this. Okay, we'll drag it like this. Now we are going for straight polygons, let it be like this, and this degrees, we have to trial and error. One is degrees very less, let us give 2 degree first. Then this is straight polylines, then we'll change the table positions to our current folder position. This one grid. Okay, save. Let us see how many. Okay, it will generate 48 cells. Okay, 48 cells, it's okay, 40 we can do it, but let us increase this to 3 degrees. Let us check how many grid. Okay, it's 20 cell, 20 cell is also okay. Let us click OK now. it will give us 20 cells. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 2 3 4 4 into 5 20 cells. So this is our map. Okay, here. So now we are going to give latitude and longitude value here. So to do so, first go right click here and go for all layer control. Here grid, let us click this option and go for this leveling, because we will edit this grid option or grid portion also, and go for this level button. Next level degree, it will level degree. So horizontal leveling for grid, level offset is 2 point, let it be like this now, and level lines we have to click none. Style you can give here anything like Arial here, this is 12 or 14 like this, bold. Okay, and here just adjustment, allow overlapping text, just click here and click OK and click OK. Here we can see these are all values. Now why we click this edit portions option, so we can, okay, now let us click this button, select option, select arrow, thus we can now we can move these things to here like this. For that is the reason we click that edit option. Let's change their positions to here. Okay, we have this one. We can write latitude and longitude here, longitude and latitude here. We can write by clicking this text option, and here we can write longitude, and here we can write latitude. Okay, if we click this arrow, we can change this orientation. Okay, we can change this orientation, and its style also we can increase, like 14 bold, it will, okay, it will become big like this. We can do this up to this also 14 bold, just by double clicking these two. Now what is left is the legends. So how we create legends? We'll go to map, here is the option create legend, we'll click this one. So what we need, generally we will need this, we don't need this grid one, we need this central point. Okay, false, no need to give this boundary centering buffer 500, just remove them. We need only this 4, so just click finish. Here you can see this is Guwahati CC legend. Just change this one to legend, this legends, and we can change our font style, like if it 14 like bold, and this point is our Guwahati. This is center coordinate of Guwahati. You can change their values also, like 12. Just click OK, it changed there, and you can change the other. This points will show from earthquake from 5.1 to up to 6, no? 6. We can change the, we will remove this one. We can change this. This is 12 bolt. Okay, we'll click OK. Change. This thing is 4 to 5, no? 4 greater than equal to MW to 5. Okay, 5.1, so greater than equal to, okay, 5. This is 4 to 5. Okay. Remove this one. This one, let us change. This one is greater than equal to 6. Okay, let's do the fourth one is less than. This is MW is less than 4. We can change the font 12 all. Okay, and we can remove this one. Okay, look here how legends is organizing. This is, just remove this line will show you about the false. false, and let us change the font color is 12 bold. Okay, okay, this is the legend. Let's keep it like this now. Now next thing, I have to publish this map, but before going publishing this thing, we have to just adjust something here. I'm giving you some tips now. Let us open a tilt window and remove this one, everything except these two. Okay, do as it is, like this, and again go for window and tilt window. These two are shown side by side. Now just zoom it up to which you want. Okay, this is latitude longitude like this. Okay, here you can show, you can draw y direction like this. Click here. Oh, sorry, north direction. Just draw one line here, and this line will show you. Okay, just roughly I'm doing now. And this line and this letter N will show you that it is in N direction. Okay, now we are going to publish this map with this legend. So to do so, we have to click here map. So before doing so, it should be like this sidewise, or this should be in half, not full. This window should be up to here, pura in middle. Okay, now we are going to click map and then create layout from templates. Here I am giving my map name, and this is seismotectonic map, and template is A4 landscape I'm giving. So now let the other things remain same and click next. So let's wait. Okay, okay, now you can click full screen here. Let's check what we're getting here. Okay, this one map is here. Now here, this is the map. Okay, now what we can do, where is the legend? There is no legend, so we can add legends here by clicking this button, frame, where you want legend, here, anywhere here. You can, I'm giving the legend here for now. You can give it here also. So after dragging these things like this, this window is open. Now this window, let's say change it to legend. Okay, legend of grid, legend. Just click OK. Legend will be shown here. Just click this button. You can adjust this legend here. This is a adjust this legend here. Okay, all accordingly you can adjust. You can change its property, like after clicking this is area, so click this one, region style, or this is region, so this is region style. So you can give a pattern none and style none. Everything will be, only the data will be there. Look this. Okay, this needs more. Okay, okay, this is it. Now what we have to do is to click file and save window as button. Save windows, go to the same file, save it in the same file. Okay, MapInfo. Okay, as bitmaps or any format you can save it. This seismotectonic map of Northeast India. Okay, now click the save button. Here you can adjust the pixel. You can change it to any values and click save. Okay, now this picture is saved, so this map is saved there. You can edit this map. Let us open that map in where is that map? This one is the map we saved just now. We have saved just now, so let us check this by opening. Just click edit. Okay, right click and edit. It will open in paint. So let's see that there are some more things are there like this. We can remove this in paint, so just remove those things. Bring this one here. The save it. We will get only the seismotectonic map, that particular region here. This is within 500 kilometer of this Guwahati region. You can see earthquakes and faults and this boundaries. Here is the legend. You can change this legend to anywhere like this. Okay, let us save this one. This is saved. Okay, this is the way how we can create a seismotectonic map in MapInfo. So hope you enjoyed the video. So thank you for now.